Deep in a sun-dappled meadow lived Lily the lamb, whose fleece was the fluffiest in the entire flock. Lily the lamb loved her thick, soft wool. Every morning, Lily the lamb would prance about, feeling very proud of her beautiful coat. "My wool is the warmest and the best," Lily the lamb would baw happily. As autumn leaves turned gold and red, a chill began to creep into the air. The other little animals in the meadow started to shiver. Barnaby the rabbit's ears drooped with cold. Squeaky the field mouse huddled under a large leaf. But Lily the lamb was always cozy and warm in her wonderful wool. Lily the lamb felt a little sad seeing Barnaby the rabbit and Squeaky the field mouse so cold. One crisp morning, the wise old sheep-elder gathered the flock. The sheep-elder had seen many winters and knew many things. "Little lambs," began the sheep-elder, "our wool is a special gift. It keeps us warm, it is true," the sheep-elder continued, its voice gentle. "But it also grows back, thicker and stronger each time it is shared." Lily the lamb listened carefully to the sheep-elder's words. Shared? How could Lily the lamb share her precious wool? The sheep-elder explained, "Soon, the shearers will come. They will carefully trim our wool, and it will not hurt. This wool can then be spun into yarn," the sheep-elder said. "And that yarn can be knitted into warm clothes for those who are cold." Lily the lamb thought about Barnaby the rabbit's drooping ears. Lily the lamb thought about Squeaky the field mouse shivering under the leaf. When shearing day arrived, Lily the lamb felt a little nervous. But Lily the lamb remembered the sheep-elder's kind words. The shears snipped gently, and soon Lily the lamb's thick fleece lay in a soft pile. Lily the lamb felt lighter, and surprisingly, not too cold. A few weeks later, Lily the lamb saw something wonderful. Barnaby the rabbit was wearing a tiny, warm woolly scarf. Squeaky the field mouse had a cozy little woolly hat. "Your wool made this, Lily the lamb," Barnaby the rabbit exclaimed, wiggling warm ears. "Thank you, Lily the lamb," chirped Squeaky the field mouse, no longer shivering. Lily the lamb's heart swelled with a new kind of warmth, a warmth much deeper than just her fleece. Lily the lamb understood that her wool was indeed a special gift. It was a gift meant for sharing and bringing comfort. From that day on, Lily the lamb looked forward to shearing day. Because Lily the lamb knew her wonderful woolly secret, the greatest warmth comes from giving. And so, Lily the lamb, with her regrown fluffy fleece, continued to prance happily, but now with a heart full of shared joy.